Eyes. Eyes are the windows to one's soul, but many a times it doesn't say what actually a person feels. They may look very tired, they may look very angry, sad, but whereas the person's emotions are totally opposite. So there is something called we do blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery. So we have an upper eyelid and a lower eyelid. As one ages, there is not only skin sagging but also the fat layer which is surrounding our eyeball may project out. Then we call it a fat bag. So all these changes may make one look very old or sad or even angry. In these cases, we do a surgery called eyelid surgery or technically called blepharoplasty. Now, in upper blepharoplasty, the upper eyelid is a much more simpler procedure done under local anesthesia. It's like a daycare surgery, takes around 45 minutes for the entire procedure. You can go back home the same day. Recovery typically is just about a week. So there'll be some amount of swelling and bruising. In upper eyelid, basically, we are marking the eyelid crease and removing whatever excess sagging skin is there after certain measurements. Also remove some amount of fat pad if necessary. And this is very finely closed, sutured, so that ultimately the scar lies exactly in the eyelid crease, hence not visible. This surgery gives a very beautiful result. The patient normally feels the eye has become more bright and open. Now coming to the lower eyelid. Lower eyelid surgery is a little more difficult or complex than the upper eyelid. In lower eyelid, we need to deal with different things like the fat bag, or sometimes the eyelid is so lax that it turns outward. And eyelid is also sometimes skin is very saggy. Now these can be dealt in two ways. One is called a scarless method. That means we put a cut in the inside of your eyelid, also called transconjunctival blepharoplasty. In this case, we are putting a cut inside of your eyelid, dealing with whatever extra fat has protruding, or sometimes we also replace or transplant this fat to the place where it is needed and then close it. So this again can be done under local anesthesia, but a patient is more comfortable under general anesthesia. But in many patients, they also have lot of sagging of skin. Then we prefer doing something called transcutaneous. That means a cut is being put on the outer side on the skin. And even this scar is not very visible or prominent. Why? Because we are putting exactly in the eye crease, wherever the skin crease comes. And through this, whatever excess fat is removed, the excess skin is removed and closed. This typically again recovery is somewhere around 7 to 10 days. So both these surgeries can be done comfortably under local anesthesia. Recovery is pretty quick, 7 to 10 days. If you have any further doubts about eyelid surgery, blepharoplasty, you can always contact us at Bing Apple Aesthetics.